This video is presented by the e-learning program of Jeff Nagle, powered by Capital TV. My name is Gauridasan. I am studying in grade 11A. Today we are going to learn about trigonometry subject in grade 11 according to the grade 3rd term syllabus. So, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which says the relationship between angle and side of a triangle. In this chapter, we are going to learn about 3 trigonometric ratios. But there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Using them, we are going to find one side of a right angle triangle using trigonometric functions. Next, find the angle of find the angle of a right angle using trigonometric table. Real-time applications of trigonometry. Trigonometry can applicable in many instances. There are for one instance astronomy, navigation, surveying and architecture. In grade 11, we use Pythagoras theorem to find the one side of a right angle triangle. So, look at this example. So, one side square plus another side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Therefore, one side 3 square plus 4 square is equal to x square according to the Pythagoras theorem. So, 3 square is equal to 9 and 4 square is equal to 16 is equal to x square. X square is equal to 25 centimeter. Therefore, x equal to square root of plus or minus 25. Therefore, x become plus or minus 5, but the length should be greater than 0. Therefore, x only positive answer. Therefore, x equal to 5 centimeter. In this lesson, we can able to find the length of a side of a triangle, right angle triangle with trigonometric ratios. So, before finding the trigonometric ratios, we must know the names of the sides in related with the angle given. So, consider this triangle ABC. If you look at this angle, we must find the opposite side, adjacent side and the hypotenuse of this angle in related with this angle. So, first of all, we must find the hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the opposite side of the right angle triangle. So, opposite side of the right angle triangle is AC. Opposite side of the right angle is AC. Therefore, hypotenuse is equal to AC. Therefore, then find the opposite side of the angle A. So, opposite side of the angle A is AB. Opposite side of the angle A is AB. And the adjacent side means closest side. Therefore, closest side of the angle A will be BCOAC. We already put this AC as hypotenuse. So, hypotenuse is equal, so adjacent side is equal to BC. So, let's write the names of the sides with angles given. So, write names in related with the angles given. So, let's take angle M. The hypotenuse is always same. So, first of all, find the hypotenuse, the side opposite to the right angle. So, opposite to the right angle is PR. So, hypotenuse PR. Then find the opposite side. The side opposite to the angle is PQ. Then adjacent side, the closest side. Therefore, the closest side for the angle M is equal to QR. Now take the angle N, then find the hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite side. Hypotenuse is always same. So, right, we need not to write hypotenuse. So opposite side is equal to QR and the adjacent side, that is closest side, adjacent side is equal to PQ. Let's move to the next. These are the three trigonometric ratios. As we said earlier, there are 6 trigonometric ratios. So in this chapter we only studied about 3. In advanced level we studied other 3. So sine is a function. So sine means opposite side by hypotenuse. If we take this angle B, sine B is equal to opposite side this side and by hypotenuse this, and the cos B is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. If you take this angle, adjacent side this side and the hypotenuse this. So tan B, tan function means opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side this and the adjacent side closest side this, opposite side by adjacent side. Sin B means opposite side by hypotenuse and the cos B means adjacent side by hypotenuse and the tan B means opposite side by adjacent side. If you want to remember, let's remember this: SOH, CAH and TAO. What that means? S means sine, O means opposite side by hypotenuse. So C means cos, A means adjacent side, H means hypotenuse, T means tan and A means adjacent side. So now write the sine function, cos function, tan function according to the sides given. So let's write for the sine value of angle A. Sine means, as we learned earlier, sine means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side of this angle A is BC and the hypotenuse is opposite side of the right angle, BC by AC. Therefore, then cos A means adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent side of this angle A is AB and the hypotenuse is AC. Tan function, opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side of this angle A is BC and the adjacent side of this angle A is AB, AC, BC by AC. Sorry, BC by AB, BC by AB. We know the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 90 plus A plus the angle, this angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. So ACB become 90 minus A, 90 minus A. So now write the trigonometric ratios for the angle 90 minus A. So let's write sine 90 minus A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. The opposite side of the angle 90 minus A is AB and the hypotenuse always common AC, and then write cos 90 minus A. What is cos? Cos function we already know. Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent side BC and the hypotenuse AC. Adjacent side BC by hypotenuse AC. Now find tan function. Tan function, adjacent side, opposite side by adjacent side. So tan 90 minus A equal to opposite side AB, and the adjacent side BC, AC by BC. If you looking this, some of the values be equal. So this value and this value equal. Therefore, we say sin A equal to cos 90 minus A. Sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A according to the axiom. And this value and this value is equal, then write cos A is equal to sin 90 minus A. These two equations must be important for us when doing questions. So remember these equations. Let's move to the next. So write the functions for the angle x and y. If you do more question, it is familiar to us, write more, remember to us. So let's take this x, sin x equal to, sin means opposite side by hypotenuse, therefore opposite side BC, hypotenuse the side opposite to the right angle, side opposite to the right angle is AC, BC by AC. Let's write cos x. Cos x. What is cos? Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of this angle x is AB and the hypotenuse by AC. Let's find the tan value of x. Tan means opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side of this angle x is BC and the adjacent side is AB. Therefore, tan x equal to BC by AB. Now write the trigonometric function for the angle y. So sin y equal to opposite side of the angles y is AB and the hypotenuse is AC. Now write the trigonometric function cos for the angle y. So cos y is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of this angle y is BC and the hypotenuse AC. BC by AC. Then write tan value of y. So for tan y is equal to, tan means opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB and the adjacent side BC. So move to the next question. So let's write to the function of, let's write function for the angle M, sin M. Sin M, opposite side QR and the hypotenuse, the side opposite to the right angle, hypotenuse PR. So cos M equal to, cos M means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of this angle M is PQ and the hypotenuse PR. Now tan M. Tan M means opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side QR and the adjacent side PQ. So now write the functions for the angle N. Function for the angle N. So sin N equal to, sine means opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side PQ and the hypotenuse PR. So, cosine means cos n equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse adjacent side QR and the hypotenuse PR, which is tan n. Tan n means opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side PQ and the adjacent side QR. With using the knowledge of sine, cos, tan functions, now let us do these questions. So, if sine A is equal to 3 by 5, then find the value of cos A and tan A. So, if this type of questions are asked, first draw a rough diagram. Let us draw. Take an angle as A. This angle can be taken. I take this angle as A. Sine function means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side of this A is 3e and the hypotenuse equal to 5. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find this side length. So, for Pythagoras triples, this side will be 4. Therefore, cos A means cos A adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent side 4 and the hypotenuse 5. Let us write tan A. Tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side 3 and the adjacent side 4. Let us move to the next question. If cos B is equal to root 3 by 2, then find the value of first one sin B, second tan B. So, let us draw a rough diagram. Then mark the information given. Let us take this angle as B. So, cos B is equal to, cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent side root 3 and the hypotenuse 2. Let us, using Pythagoras theorem, we can find this side length. Let us take this side length as x square plus square root of 3 square is equal to 2 square. Therefore, x square plus root 3 square, root and root square root cancel, 3 is equal to 4. X square is equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to 1 centimeter, but this side is equal to 1 centimeter. Now, write sin B. Sin B. First question, sin B. Sin B means adjacent side by, so sin B means opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side 1 and the hypotenuse root 2. Now, write tan B. Second question, tan B. Tan function means opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side 1 and the adjacent side root 3. So, let us write this question next class. Thank you for listening my video.